The best YouTube channel ideas without showing your face and voice. That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So, are you camera shy but still want to start a successful YouTube channel? Don't worry, because we'll explore 5 amazing ideas that don't require showing your face or using your own voice. And the first type is animation channels. And there are some pros to these channels. First one being that you can unleash your creativity. So you can use animation softwares to bring stories, characters, and ideas to life. And secondly, you can capture attention by creating visually stunning and captivating videos that engage viewers. And the third pro is these kind of channels have flexible content. So from short skits to long stories, animation channels offer endless options for creativity. And the second type of channels is the art tutorial channels. And also these kind of channels has their own strengths, being that you can share your artistic skills and teach others how to draw, paint, or create various forms of arts. You can also inspire and motivate aspiring artists to develop their skills and help them unleash their creativity. And the third strength, which is one of the uh, best uh, advantages for these kind of channels, is that you can build an artistic community in which you connect with fellow artists and engage in discussions and collaborations, which can lead to event and a lot of other stuff. And the third type of channels is the productivity and life hack channels. And in these channels, you will be able to empower others by sharing tips and strategies to enhance productivity and make their life easier. You can also show them some time-saving techniques by teaching them valuable skills such as organization, time management, and goal setting, journaling, etc. And you can also show them some problem solving skills where you offer solutions to common challenges and help viewers overcome obstacles in their daily lives. Moving to the fourth type of channels, that is the compilation channels that everybody does know. And some of the reasons that you may want to choose this type of channels over the other ones is that you can curate the best content by creating compilations of funny videos, fails, or heartwarming moments, and other than that, as the possibilities are endless with these type of channels. And these channels are considered to be entertainment for all as they appeal to a wide audience with content that is universally enjoyable. And one of the advantages is that they do spread positivity, so they bring laughter, joy, and inspiration to viewers' lives through your compilation. And this might be one of the reasons that these channels get ton of views. And the final type is the travel vlog channels. And these ones offer some stuff that no other channel can offer. For example, it can offer vicarious adventures where you take viewers on exciting journeys to breathtaking destinations around the world. You can also offer cultural exploration where you showcase the diversity of cultures, traditions, and local experiences. And also, you can share some travel tips and guides where you provide valuable information and recommendation to your viewers and to fellow travelers. And keep in mind that these were just some types and some examples, as the possibilities are endless and there are a lot other more channels that you can create and have without showing your face or using your own voice. So that was it for this video. Those were some type of channels that you can create without showing your face or using your voice. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. With that said, I will see you in the next